There are only two of you today, so you will all get lots of opportunities to speak. A few discussion guidelines. We're here to practice our English and to learn something new and to exchange our experiences. So the first thing I want to say is don't be nervous when I call on you by name. Okay, don't be too nervous. Try to speak up and don't have any worries.
My name is Isabel, and I'm currently enrolled in the teachers training program at the University of Bayreuth, and I'm from Germany.
Yes. Also when the Advent season opens, Christmas markets crop up in nearly every German towns. The town squares, normally dark, early in winter months, are lit up and buzzing with activity during this time. Townspeople gather together, listen to brass band music, drink beer or not malt wine. In German it's called Glühwein, and enjoy the hearty traditional fare of the region.
So if you ever come to Germany during Advent, during the Christmas season, be sure that you visit the Christmas markets, the Weihnacht.
Okay, great.
Okay, great. Yay! My name is Sherry, and glad you're with us today. A little bit about myself. So, I was born in Taiwan, and I lived there as a little girl. When I was 10 years old, I moved to Paraguay and Peru. So these two.
Mingxi, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so after high school graduation, did you think about doing anything else but college?
No.
No, you didn't even consider it. It was just, I have to go to college.
Yeah. I have to
Why?
go to college.
Why?
Because
Why do you
that's all
have?
my classmates did it.
Okay, so everyone else did it. Okay, what did your family think?
My family think, they think go to college you can get a better job.
Okay, so better job again. So I think all of you are quite similar. None of you really thought about what you want to do after high school except go to college. And in Jessie's case, she doesn't know what she wants to do, but she still has to go to college. For me, it's very different because, see, in the United States, I think more American kids think about the college or no college question after graduation. US, we consider doing other options because we actually might make more money doing other options, really good jobs. But here in Taiwan, it doesn't work that way. You have to go to college. So some of the options, like what Jessie mentioned before, is that some Europeans can go travel. Right? That's what we call a gap year. Basically, a gap year is when you still expect to go to college, but after like 1 year of traveling and getting to understand yourself and experiencing new things, and then you can go to college after you realize through this spiritual journey what you want to do with your life. So that's what a gap year is for.
First of all, I have a warm-up question for you. Do you know the 4 major races in Singapore? Okay, Sharon, do you know the answer?
Hello everybody, my name is Luke, and I'm a year-long English major at one of the universities in Singapore, Nanyang Technological University, also known as NTU. Bear with me for today. Hopefully you will learn a little bit more about my country, Singapore. This is my lesson today. Singapore is a multicultural and multiracial nation, and there are 4 major races in Singapore aspect of our daily lives. We celebrate Racial Harmony Day in schools and workplaces, as you can see in this slide and the previous slide, as a way to maintain the good relations with our fellow Singaporeans of different races. A lot of times, we will swap or exchange our traditional costume with someone who is not of our race. So it's a very cool way to know the different kinds of traditional costumes that we have in Singapore. Yeah, hi. Well, I just want to know, have you ever experienced or witnessed any form of racial discrimination?
Not really have so sensitive.
Okay, but have you heard of people who has been treated unfairly or unequally because of their race?
I think China's people come to Taiwan maybe treat unequally.
Oh, okay. In what ways do you think they are treated unequally?
Because Chinese people's personality and
Okay.
and
Right, okay, that's interesting. Thank you for sharing. Maybe let's hear from someone else. Hello, Jiachen, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, hi. Have you experienced or witnessed any sort of racial discrimination, and what's your opinion on this topic?
I think that it's not fair to not treat people equally.
The situation in Singapore is a little bit similar. A lot of times I feel that when foreigners from another country come to your country, your own place, there will always be a sense of they are not from here, they are not part of your country. So sometimes there may be a little bit of tension, and obviously I think with the political relations between Taiwan and China, things are always a little bit sensitive. I'm sure all of us have friends of another race, and some of the things that we hear other people talk about the race does not apply to a person. So, I thought that